So you can check if the recall is active with you now. Open a PowerShell here. And attention to do this as an administrator. Goes into the PowerShell. Then you enter DISM /online /get -feature /feature name recall. If you get an error response here, then recall does not run. And that is then also very good. Otherwise, you got an activated as response that the recoil is already running. If this does not work, and you want to protect yourself from it, that it is now installed with updates, especially with the next two for H2. Then protect as follows. You enter here GP. Edit.msc. And open this again as an administrator. As you should not be able to run GP Edit MSC, then you probably have the Windows Home version. And in this case, I provide you with another video, which you can find in the appendix, to make GP Edit MSC executable as well. Then you go here to the computer configuration, administrative templates and syncs on Windows components. And then down to Windows Update again. And here's to Windows Updates now. You do not need to take Server Update, but take the other update, and then you click here on Select Target Version of the function date. There you click here on Activated, and then you enter here. For operating system, we write Windows 11 Pure, and for target version 20 for H1 not. Because we don't want him to update to 20 for H2, but stops at a maximum of 20 for H1. Take over and OK. And that's it for now. How long this goes, well, I do not know, of course, Until the somewhere again, an illegal trick they used to quasi that again. Let's say to overwrite anyway, but thus recall. Now first on this. Machine prevents. Mind you, we also have in games. We will also check it out in a moment. If we may already find this recall in there. Thanks you for watching, and follow me.